got adjusted, what, about 2 weeks ago?
January 15th.
Okay. So, yeah,
Oh, on his
a month
birthday.
ago, yeah.
Yeah.
So he persuaded you into getting adjusted today?
Yeah, because he was like, oh, let me get a spa. I was like, but he said chiropractor. I was like, I need that. I need it.
So we have fracture of the wrist, 1998.
It's 98.
Right.
And then ACL was
2001.
2001. But really only I guess with lower back, pretty much, because I work a labor intensive job. So,
Okay.
Like stocking. So just that's pretty much it.
All right. Any aches and pains that you feel besides your lower back? Maybe headaches? Anything else like that?
Besides coworkers, no. But usually after work.
Unfortunately, I can't really do nothing for them.
Damn.
Y'all definitely know y'all related.
He gets it from me.
Oh, okay.
Not true.
What's the age difference? I didn't look it up.
6 years.
6 years.
It's just you two?
You all see his range of motion, how old the difference is.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, he moves around. I ain't got time for
Wow. So y'all really just gonna be at it at each other?
Hey, we got to.
Oh, absolutely.
Keep it fresh.
You got anything else planned today?
Nope.
So he didn't tell you. When it comes to offering your services, or at least saying, hey, we should get this young lady I used before, she's really good. He's like, well, he lives at Reese Hills.
All right, I'm gonna bend your legs at the knees, okay?
Oh.
So we're checking leg length. You have a short right leg. See that?
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
You told me that, I was like, she lied.
So now you see
No, I
it,
don't.
right? All right, with a straight leg, you're gonna lift from here. I want you to bring your leg up off the table. All right, and then the other one. Oh, I'm sorry, both down.
Oh, you mean alternate?
Yeah, I'm sorry, that's my mistake. Now try this one. Then back then. Was one a little bit more difficult than the other?
Well, we're gonna do the hokey pokey.
I guess this one will.
A little bit more? Okay. Hey, could you do me a favor? Is that your pods in your pocket?
Oh, yeah.
Activator. Sounds like that. Right?
Okay.
And it feels like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's all bark, no bite, really.
Gotcha.
There we go. All right, a little bit on the glute. All right, relax. Lift this one off the table. All right, back down, and then the other one. Better or worse, or about the same?
Nothing.
About the same? Okay. Were they even, or did it feel better than last time?
A little better.
Good. All right, take this one. All right, lay on this side facing me. So you're gonna lay on your whole body. You're gonna bring both your arms over.
Oh, wait.
Oh, you're just gonna be laying right here on this part of your body.
Oh, okay. Like this.
Yep, just like that. Mm-hmm.
Let those look like
So you're gonna scoot closer to me. Scoot a little more, a little more, a little bit more. Good. Give me this arm. Pull this out from under you. And you're just gonna drop your head.
Oh.
Can you give me that other arm? Soft hug. Soft.
Oh, I love myself.
Yep. You're gonna bend this leg. And you can bring up the knee and drop. Okay. So I'm gonna push your leg down.
Okay.
Up body that way. So you're kind of gonna do a twist.
Oh, like that.
Mhm. So you're just gonna look that way.
Okay.
All right. You may hear a pop. That's perfectly fine. Okay.
Okay.
Deep breath in. There we go. All the way out. Flip over to the other side.
Good.
Say what?
That felt kind of good.
All right. Flip over to the other side.
Like
Try it. Come on, side. Good, like that.
that.
Mm-hmm. Deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. Now lay on your stomach. All right, this time you're going to take a deep breath in, and then you're going to blow all the way out. Well, one more time, deep breath in. All the way out, drop your shoulders. Good. Your outlet side.
Oh, that feels good.
Put your head up and forward. Alright, whenever you are ready, you're Alright, let this ear fall in my hand. Just like that.
Mm.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Relax that muscle. Good. Okay. Alright, so we're going to sit up. Okay. You release your fingers. Just like that. I'm putting my arms through here, okay?
Okay.
Follow me. Fall, 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 fall. Alright, we're going to get a stretch. Take a deep breath in. All the way up. Good pull. Alright, one more time. Deep breath in. Let everything go all the way out. Look up, look up, look up. There we go.
Oh. I know. Okay. I know you can do all that.
Oh, she was surprised.
It was the WWE DDT move. I was like, wait a minute, nope. Ain't got this on camera. They do it in this client. Bam!
Right.
Sit your ass up.
First time she did, I was look out like she was like tired.
Right.
Got the bitch.
You know what? I'm not fooling with neither one of y'all. Alright, I'm gonna adjust your ears, okay?
Okay.
So all that happens is I just touch your earlobe and it's just gonna be a little bit of.
Oh, okay, okay.
Alright. Let your head fall towards me. Yeah, just like that.
Oh, I didn't know the ear could make that sound. Damn.
Alright, one more. Should fall towards me. Alright, lay on your back.
Alright.
Shoes off.
She's up.
Let's say, what are these things? I'm being nosy now.
Oh, Mexican candy is good. Right.
It says chili powder. I'm okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, beat it like they owes you money. There you go.
Alright, we're gonna relax your knee. A little bit of bend. Relax. So, to sit up. 1, 2, 3 deep breath in and out. How you feel?
Where am I at? This ain't my house. Right.
Show up.
What the hell?
I guess, well, technically it's not. Stand up, walk around, see how you feel.
Oh. That back much more loose. I like that. See, why you been hiding her all damn years? I don't like that. You tell me stuff late. Yeah, I went to my birthday to get presents like this.
I just found her for my birthday.
Terrible. Selfish.
It's called Google.
It ain't even your birthday. His birthday is my birthday. It ain't even your birthday.
Use Instagram. That's what I did.
That's not. I almost fell asleep for a
See,
second.
this kind of ignorant shit gets on my nerves with some of these clients. Hey, Brian, this is Travis. This is Travis that Sage.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and stop the recording. You good?
I'm good.
Oh,